Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we will listen grammar on page 8 and 9. Today, we will structure sentences uses other, others, and another. We also rephrase sentences using do to emphasize. Okay? Let's start with the first point, other, others, and another. Other can be used as an adjective. It is an adjective. Please underline the keywords. It is an adjective. So it's followed by a plural noun to mean additional or further. For example, many scientists feel that global warming can be reversed. Other scientists disagree. Okay, we note the noun here is plural. Okay, now please write the note here about other. We will write two notes. The first one, it is used as adjective. Very good. It is used as adjective. Sorry. As adjective. The second note is followed by plural noun. Excellent. It's followed by plural noun. We will write here plural noun. What about others? Others can be used as pronoun. It is used as pronoun. So it can't follow it by a noun. It may be followed by a verb, okay? To mean additional to other persons or things. For example, many scientists feel that global warming can be reversed. Others disagree. Others disagree. It's a verb, okay? Disagree is verb. So what will we write here for others? We will write two notes. It's used as a pronoun. It's used as a pronoun. And the second note, it's followed by verb. Can be followed by verb and never followed by a noun. Can be followed by a verb and never followed by a noun. Clear? Another. Another can be used as an adjective or pronoun. Can be used as an adjective or pronoun. As an adjective, it means an alternative to something previously considered. For example, I know you want to go to Mexico on vacation, but I have another idea. But I have another idea. Okay? Here, idea is singular. Very good. As a pronoun, it means an additional one of the same kind. That was a good cup of coffee. I think I'll have another. I'll have another. I like this coffee, so I think I'll have another kind of the same kind of the coffee. Okay, here another at the end of the sentence. Now we will write notes here about another. We will write what? It's used as a pronoun or adjective. It's used as an adjective or pronoun. Or pronoun. And it's followed by what? Plural or singular? It's followed by singular. Excellent. It's followed by singular noun. And it can found at the end of the sentence. Singular noun. Clear now? Okay. Pay attention. Whether used as an adjective or pronoun, another is only used with singular noun. Okay, with singular noun. It is incorrect to say, I think I'll have another beef burgers. Why? It's wrong. Why? Because here burgers is plural and another should be followed by singular pronoun or sorry, by singular nouns, not plural nouns. Okay, note. Don't confuse other, others, and another with the pronoun each other and one another. Note that each other and one another, which are inseparable phrases, are used to express a mutual relationship. Okay, like my friends have deep trust in each other. I know that none of them could let do the other. The other. Okay, now we will talk about emphatic 2. We will talk about emphatic 2. As we know, do is used as an auxiliary verb in negative or questions. In negative or question. In which tense? In the simple tense and past tense. However, the auxiliary do can also be used before the infinitive in affirmative sentence. Why? Why? To add a special emphasis. To add a special emphasis. For example, I do enjoy his company. He does like to talk. I do like English. Okay, pay attention here. We use do, then infinitive verb, base verb without any addition. Okay, and here we use does and infinitive verb. Okay, why here we use do and here we use does? Excellent. Do with I, they, you, or plural pronoun, but does for he, she, it, or singular. We can also use emphatic do to show a contrast between expectation and reality. For example, you didn't call me yesterday. I did call you yesterday. Here we use did. Why we used it here? Because it's in the past form, because there is yesterday. Okay, we usually get along very well, but we do have arguments occasionally. I do, we do, they do, but he does, she does, it does. But in the past, I used did. Clear now? Emphatic do is strongly emphasized in speech, like when I say, I did call you yesterday. Now, we will answer exercise A. Complete each sentence with other, others, or another. Are you ready? Number 1, he says he is so full of burgers. He eats a lot of burgers. He says he couldn't eat another. Excellent. He couldn't eat another. Another can come at the end of the sentence. You can use that topic for your paper. I have a few, excellent, a few others in mind for my paper. A few others. We need here a pronoun, and others is a pronoun. They like their cats so much that they are talking about getting, excellent, another kitten. Another kitten, it's followed by singular noun. It's followed by singular noun. You can keep that pen. I have 2 or 3 other pens. Excellent. Other pens. Why other pens? in my backpack because it's followed by plural noun. Plural noun, okay? There are 6 people in line ahead of us. Other, excellent. Other, because other can be followed by uncountable noun or plural. Cover your mouth when you cough so that others, excellent, others won't catch your cold. It's very important now. Why? To stop transmitting diseases like corona, you should cover your mouth when you cough, okay? Here we use others because it's followed by verb. It's followed by verb. It's pronoun and followed by a verb. Okay? I just recovered from a cold and already I'm getting good. Another one. Another one. Because it's followed by singular noun. Another exercise, read each sentence, then use your own ideas to write a second sentence using other, others, or another. For example, some people are happy about the new shopping mall. Others are upset about it. Okay, here we use others and it's followed by verb to complete the meaning. Number 1, many young people like to socialize on the internet. Okay, how we complete the meaning? Others don't. Others don't. Others followed by verb. Clear? Okay. One thing you can do to help the environment is recycle. Another thing you can do is conserve water, save water, okay? Another is followed by singular. 2 of my 3 sisters have brown hair. The other has blonde hair. English isn't the only class I have on Monday. My other class is biology. My other class is biology. Exercise number C, rewrite each sentence adding do, does, or did. Do, does for present simple, do with I, they, you, or plural. Does with singular pronoun, he, she, it, or singular. And did for past simple, excellent. I feel tired. I feel tired. I do feel tired. I do feel tired. Here we use do. Why? Because the subject here is the pronoun I. Okay? Here the verb in the base form, in the simple present, and the subject is I, so I use do. And after do, we use infinitive form. Okay? Number 1, I hope you get better quickly. Infinitive verb and the subject is I. So we use what? Do, does, or did? Excellent. We will use do. And don't forget, do is followed by infinitive form of the verb. Verb without any addition. Number 3, that child plays quietly. Plays quietly. Here the verb plus S. Here the verb plus S. Okay? And the subject is singular. So we will use do, does, or did. Yes, does. Excellent. He does enjoy, not enjoys. He does enjoy. Because does should be followed by infinitive verb. Do you get it? Okay, number 3. He needs to find a job soon. Needs the verb plus S. Excellent. We should use does. Does need or needs? Does need. Excellent. He does need to find a job soon. I asked my friend to join us. I asked. It's the past form of ask. Asked. It's the past form of ask. So I'll use do, does, or did. Did. Excellent. I did ask. Did ask. Also did must be followed by infinitive verb. This store has the best selection. This store has the best selection. The main verb here is has, and the subject is singular, so we will use does. And what's the infinitive verb of has? Have. Very good. This store does have the best selection. The last one, the teacher notes you were absent. It's past form of notes. Okay, so we use did. The teacher did notes you were absent. Exercise number D. Match the sentence beginnings and endings. Rewrite the sentence adding do, does, or did for emphasis. For example, we don't usually watch TV, but we watch that program. Here we watch. We will use present simple and the subject is the pronoun me, so we use do. Excellent. We don't usually watch TV, but we do watch that program. What about number 2? I'm afraid of height. I'm afraid of height. So, who can complete? Though I fly occasionally. Excellent. Though I fly occasionally. Okay. The main verb here is fly and the pronoun is I. So I use do, does, or did. I'll use do. Excellent. We must use do. I'm afraid of heights, though I do fly occasionally. Number 3, I forgot to call my friend. I forgot to call my friend, but I sent my friend an email. What about the verb here, send? It's the past form of send. It's the past form of send. So, I'll use did. I did. Excellent. I did send or sent. Very good. I forgot to call my friend, but I did send my friend an email. Number 4, I didn't have a lot of time, but I managed to finish my homework. You should do your homework, okay? Excellent. The main verb here in the past form, so we will use did. Very good. We will use did. I didn't have a lot of time, but I did manage to finish my homework. Number 5, she doesn't want to go shopping, but her sister wants to go shopping. Where is the main verb? Wants. Excellent. It's the verb plus S. And the subject is singular. So we use does. Excellent. We use does plus infinitive. She doesn't want to go shopping, but her sister does want to go shopping. What about the last one? Although she is a bit quiet, she has a great sense of humor. Excellent. She likes laughing and smiling. Has, the main verb is has. So we will use does have. Excellent. Does plus infinitive. Although she has a bit quiet, she does have a great sense of humor. Okay, thank you, my lovely students.